Have you ever felt your customers disappear right when they need answers the most? That waiting time is costing you sales, opportunities, and trust. But what if your website had an agent, one that responds like a human, instantly, 24/7? Meet SalesbotAI Intelligent, conversational support that turns visitors into buyers. This isn't just automation. It's intelligent, conversation understanding context, answering instantly, and guiding customers to the finish line. Leads that used to vanish now convert. Complex questions are answered. Buying hesitation is eliminated. No waiting. No robotic replies. Just smart, human-like conversations that close deals. When your business can respond like a human, anytime, to any question, you don't lose customers. You gain trust. You gain loyalty. You gain sales. Don't let another lead slip away. Bring SalesbotAI to your website today.